Hello and welcome to our channel Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm Yvette Ferrugia, your host, and today we're going to be talking about how to make sure our fondant doesn't stick to our non-stick mat here. Okay, the easiest way to do that is to make these little dusting pouches. Okay, so what we've got here is our nice clean cloth that we use. Okay, you can see it's got the perforated holes through it. Okay, a pair of scissors to cut it in half, some little elastic bands, and our corn flour to fill it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and make two of these. So cut your cloth in half. Okay, we'll just spoon some corn flour into the center here. You don't want too much. Okay, and then pinch your corners together and then secure the cloth here with your little elastic. Okay, just do the same with the other one. And we do love making the two of them at once because it's very annoying when you run out of your corn flour in your dusting bags and you're in the middle of rolling out your fondant. So if you always have a spare, it's a good way to keep prepared. Okay, so they're ready to use and you can just dust them onto your mat as needed. Okay, if you liked today's tutorial, make sure you hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.